is Lian Colico. I was diagnosed with SMA type 3 and I live in San Pedro, Laguna. Currently, what I do is I'm a virtual assistant. There was a significant drop sa range of motion ng arms ko, and then sobrang na-alarm ako doon. And it's not normal, and since sobrang laki ng binaba niya, like I could only raise my arms ng halfway lang. Nag-worry ako, sabi ko, paano na? I'm an artist. What if I can't use my arms or my hands? Sino ako? So parang na-depress na ako in a way nung moment na yun. And then, that's when I decided I want to pursue treatment. I was worried of the finances, paano ko siya ma-afford. But with the support of my partner, parang nagkaroon ako ng lakas ng loob na, sige, push natin, bahala na. It just so happened na nagkaroon ako ng pneumonia, and pneumonia is actually deadly for people with SMA kasi yun, mahina yung organs namin, especially the lungs. And paano siya lalaban kung mahina nga siya? I thought it was just usual na sakit like cough and cold, pero na-hospital ako, and nung na-hospital ako, that's my first time actually. And my doctor actually was surprised na, oh, ngayon ka lang nagka-pneumonia, kasi pneumonia is something na common sa may mga SMA. Tapos nung nagkaroon ako ng pneumonia, sabi ng pulmonologist ko na, your lungs are failing na agad-agad. So we have to act quick. And ayun may mga machine na prescribe sa akin. Tapos my lungs was really struggling na kasi may ubo ako and all. Pero hindi ko siya malabas. Ang ng cough ko sobrang hina. Tapos hindi na ako makahinga. Hirap na talaga akong himinga. And then, some said na mukha na daw akong dying at that time. Like, nagsag na talaga yung face ko and everything. But to say na I lost hope, I don't think I have. Kasi, to be honest, kailangan ko ding magpakatatag, like, i-push yung sarili ko. Kasi I was thinking of my partners, my loved ones. I didn't want to leave them behind. Not yet, at least. Buti na lang, since it's a big hospital, meron sila ng machine na kailangan ko. Actually, 2 machines yung prescribe sa akin ng doctors. And those 2 machines are very expensive. And that's the time na since hindi ko na talaga kaya, sobrang laki na ng bill ko. I asked for donations sa public, sa community ko. Can you help me, guys? And luckily naman at that time, I feel so grateful na many have answered the call, and I was able to pay for my hospitalization from the donation alone. First 2 weeks, ang naging improvement sa akin is my back pain was gone. More energy energy, improved stamina, and endurance. Napansin to ng mga therapist ko na yung range of motion ng arms ko nag-improve, yung mga exercises ko na gantong time ko lang nagagawa, nag-lengthen. The same time, nung na-hospital ako, napansin din ng doctor ko na, yung voice mo, hindi na siya ganun ka-airy. My advice for the parents out there who have a child with SMA is be proactive. We are in the information age na, so information is out there. Seek out din support. May community na, we're connected na, so there are families na meron ng alam. So let's build a community, reach out, support each other.